A growing number of young people are testing positive for COVID-19 as the Delta variant sweeps the state.
Katrin Asaf spoke with one young man who's been fighting the virus for nearly a month now. Katrin joins us live in studio. And Katrin, what happened?
Well, Laura Hunter, 22-year-old Matthew Cooper started feeling ill just about a month ago, sometime in between his first and second dose of the COVID vaccine. He had previously worked as a patient care technician at Jefferson Regional Medical Center, so he knew the signs and symptoms of COVID-19. But he only got that positive test this week after 5 false negatives and a month of worry.
It really does take a toll on you.
Matthew Cooper will never forget the Jefferson Regional ICU, filled with COVID patients fighting to survive. He started there in the early days of the virus, but little has changed.
About the same that it is now.
Cooper had no idea when he donned his scrubs that a year later, he would be the patient. Cooper's symptoms started in late June, between his first and second dose of the COVID vaccine. Nausea quickly turned into trouble breathing and intense body aches.
I want any of my clothes touching me because it was that bad.
Having worked in the COVID ward, Cooper knew what this was, but it took 4 rapid tests and a PCR to confirm the news, and more.
Positive for the Delta variant.
By July, Cooper had already developed pneumonia and has been fighting the virus ever since.
Right now, my head hurts. I have a headache.
But doctors tell him the vaccine still made a difference, and without it, he could replace the very patients he cared for.
The vaccine really took a toll and did its job that it was supposed to do.
Now he's trying to heal.
You just gotta take it day by day.
And share his story with others in the hopes they take this virus seriously. Cooper is now on his 3rd round of antibiotics. He says after having worked in the hospital and now fighting COVID himself, he has a new appreciation for frontline healthcare workers and wants everyone to do their best to stay protected. Reporting in studio, I'm Katrin Asaf.